Hey guys, today we're going to play Rivals. If you see how I changed my avatar, I don't know. I changed my avatar. Anyways, so let's do a 1v1 and play with Rivals. Alright, let's go. Let's see if someone plays with me Rivals. Alright, let me just wait here. Wait for someone to play with me. Wait, dude, what's going on? You want to 2v2? Oh. Dude. Oh, someone wants to 1v1 me. Alright. Alright, let's play. Okay, we got an RPG, a UC Fist, and a Molotov. Alright, I got this distraction. Wait, what? What the hell? Yo! Get out! Oh my god, that's his pixelated or something. Wait, what the? Dude, sniper! I don't have a sniper. I don't have enough money for it. Alright. I have to eliminate this guy. This guy is so hard. At least, but his level is hard. Wait, what the? What? Dude, what the hell? I need to get him. Wait, what the hell? What the? Dude! Did you just get a trick shot? Bruh. Guys, please do not be mad. Please do not laugh at me. I literally tried my best. That was a literal pro. What am I supposed to do? I have 67 keys. 6, 7. Wait, what? Wait, dude, bruh. Anyone will just join, dude. Okay. It's a flip. Let's do this guy a 1v1. His name is Philip. Okay. He wants arena with me. Okay. Get my weapons ready. Alright. Let's burn this guy on fire. With this. If you know what this do, I'll show you. Wait, what the? Oh, okay. Alright, bro. Finally, I got more keys. Alright. Okay. What's good, man? Bro. We got the guy. Yes, finally. Okay, next round, let's burn him on fire. And this big kid is on fire. Okay, he's gonna come here, and then he cheese! Hey! He's using the actual... Finally, 3-0. My avatar looks cool, don't you think, guys? Comment what do you think of my avatar. Okay. Good! Rosie. Nah, that's all I was saying. Looks like it's match point. Alright. Got my Molotov ready. We can defeat this guy. Right. Let's wait for this guy until he comes out with a big surprise. fine. It's only one match. I'm sure I can beat him. But this guy is... Gotta lock in. Oh, yeah! Where is he? Oh, there you are! Yes! Let's go! Oh, just one more key. One more key, and then I can buy the sniper. I'm so excited, bro. Wait, no, hell no. Oh! Just do it, man. Dude, when does this guy get a cup? Finally. There. I picked the arena. Okay. Okay, so who picked Splash? Okay. Look at my weapons, right? Now he has no chance. Wait, what the heck? What did that guy helped me? It was like he died like an angel. Again. Dude, I can't believe this 2v1 is so funny. Alright, let's keep continue, guys. Wooshka. Oops, voice crack. Where did this guy go? Oh, what? Oh, just killed this guy. He turned into an angel. Bye. Okay, match point. The coconut fruit is a big no. Ow! Good job. The duo have won. Okay, so there's no sound. Let me just go to settings. And then put music volume. To 100. Alright, let's play. Alright, let's keep playing. Let me just bring my camera here. Dude. Oh, I'm crouching. Who wants to 1v1 me, bro? Go 1v1 me. Dude, just do it already. Finally. Took it long enough. Alright, here we go. Arena. Let me just like a moto. Okay. Let's what the hell? Did he just get a trick shot? Oh, that's a pump shotgun. I hate you! Okay, so I'm gonna try him. As he comes. Wait, what? Wait, what the hell? Oh my god. What the party just getting started? What the hell? Dude. He's using his fist, really? Maybe he's trying to go easy on me with the fist? Okay, I got him. Okay, he's gonna throw something. Did distract me. Why did I got damaged? What the? Dude, he's using a pump shotgun, okay? This guy is too good. This guy is too good. Ouch. couldn't defeat him. He has a literal pump shotgun. He's gonna defeat me. Oh boy, oh boy. Dude, if this was Fortnite, I would build something to protect me. Wait, what? What the? What the hell? Okay. Finally! I killed him. These go easy on me or something. I'm gonna go here. Wait, dude, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? So much point, huh? Dude, this guy is an absolute. Oh, someone wants to. Dude, really? No one wants to 1v1 me though. I'm just gonna go. Everyone wants to 1v1 me. Really? Oh, hell no, not with you. No, not with you, stop! You're really getting on my nerves. Just leave me alone, you. No! What the hell, bruh? Oh, yeah, no! Oh my god, they're moving finally. Pro. Okay, everyone picked it. Someone picked Splash. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. RBG, UZ Fist, and Emote. Oh, wait, dude, I can't move. Dude, what's taking it so long? Help. Finally! Wait, what the? Yo, is this fast forward or something? What the hell? This guy is in trouble. This guy had internet trouble. Bros go AFK, LOL. This guy is it. Wait, they're both AFK. A sniper. Yes, yes. Oh, I the sniper rifle. Let's put the skin. Oh, there's no skin on this thing. Dude, I finally got a sniper. Okay, let's test it. Let's test it on someone. I didn't actually flip it. Trust me. Okay. Okay, let's test the sniper out. Let's test this. So where's the guy? It's super strong. I got a sniper and I'm now stronger. Dude, I can't believe I finally bought a sniper. This guy's literally trying to distract me, bruh. Look at I have a sniper. Oh my god, oh my god. I have it! Dude, I'm so happy. I literally finally got a sniper. Now I can finally defeat people. with a sniper. And today was the best day ever. Alright. Dude, I'm literally going crazy. I have a sniper rifle. No one can defeat it. Wait, what? Wait. I have an AK-47. Oh, I really failed that one. Okay, so guys, if you want to know how to... I just won. That's it. And I failed that. So good. I feel like the road just got AFK. LOL. Who wants the 1v1? Dude, why? People and all people, why? Please 1v1. Oh, someone wants to. Hi. Where did I? Okay. Arena is a studio. Well, that doesn't matter. I have a sniper, Uzi, fist, and a Molotov. I can easily defeat them with a sniper. I have an AK-40. Oh no. What the hell? Wait, what the? Dude, is he literally going up? What the hell? Wait, dude. Wait, is it? Creeper. Oh man. Where's that guy? Where's that guy? Wait, what? Where is he? Oh, there he is! Oh my god! I lost it! Dude, I hate shotguns. Dude, the shotgun is so hard to defeat. I wish there was no shotgun in this game. Wait, what? AK-47. Oh, you gotta be kidding. And he's off. Dude! Finally! Whatever he tries, it never works. Okay, let's see where that guy went. I can see him. What the hell? Where is he going? What the? What? Bruh. Dude, it's like I get a point and he gets a point. Over and overdose. Wait, what? Oh, the coconuts! The coconuts! Wait, where the hell did he go? Oh, there he is! 3-2. Team 3. I found myself a new spot. Okay, where is this guy? Oh, I can see him! He's literally going for his gun. Wait, what? Why does he keep swinging so much? Oh, I literally fell down. Wait, where did he go? What the hell? Excuse me. What is he doing? You're really fun. You can kiss me. But where did he go? What? Excuse me. Where is that guy going? Seriously, where's that guy going? Wait, what? Dude, what the hell? Match point! This is gonna enjoy the light show, guys. This might freak the guy out. Wait, where'd the guy? Where'd the freaking guy go?